Today I'm finally at seaside and I can fly my DJI Avata. I haven't flown it for months and months. This will be probably my fifth time, my fifth fly. And let's hope we'll make some nice footage. So I'm gonna show you where I wanna fly. So basically I want to fly. It's pretty nice today. So let's hope this will go well. It's not a lot of people here, which is good for me, because I know the DJI Avata is very noisy, and personally I don't like to get attention from other people. So I'm gonna fly using the FPV controller. It's pretty warm as well. I got my wife there with the child. She's not really happy. So I'm switching on my FPV controller. I'll put my goggles on. Come on. I have charged them last night, in particular for this reason, so I can fly. And I got three full batteries. Let's have a look where I can put the John here. Cool, that's it. And I also want to record on my phone as well. I forgot to switch on my drone. So I'm gonna fly alongside this cliff. There's quite a lot of pigeons there, or seagulls, which I need to be careful. And let's have a look if that's have been connected. Okay, that's all connected. Cool. So I've checked on my phone. There's like blue zone on here. This will be restrictions in 5 days, which I'm still good to fly the drone. I won't fly very high, so I'm sure I'm gonna do the right thing as well. Everything is safe. Everything is connected. And right. Let's record this. Start. Cool, that's recording. Right. Let's fly. As you can see here, it's really sandy. So hopefully. Alright, let's go. I wanna go far from people, so let's say it's a full battery. I don't know why it's 88%, but I'll go a bit more lower. As you can see, there's no people. Okay, I can see seagulls. Hopefully I won't crash it. I really hope I won't crash it. People, I can't see any people, just pretty good. It's only seagulls, so I got 85%. It's quite windy, just to let you know, it's quite windy, and the drone is doing pretty well. I'll just fly on them. I think because of the wind. Alright, as you can see, because of the wind, the camera is tilting. So I'm gonna fly back a bit like that, a bit lower. Let's go in. That's normal mode. Alright, I'm gonna switch in sport mode. High wind, so as you can see, I've told you it's a high wind. Sport mode. It's pretty nice. Up. Nearly crashed in this cliff. That's because of the wind. And we'll bring the drone back home. It's screaming. It's really screaming, this drone. That's why I don't fly a lot, because it's really screaming. It's 250 meters away and I can't hear it. How bad it is. Just fly away from people. And here you go. Here you go, here I am. It's me here. And hopefully let's do another flight. Right. Let's do another flight. I'm still learning, just to let you know. I'm not professional. I'm still learning. Move away from people. Let's move away from people. Let's fly here. Quite low. There you go. It's pretty nice. Let's fly again here. I still have 50% battery, so basically 10 minutes flight. I think this kind of flight is better with smaller drone. I have this gimbal issue. It's just high wind. I don't think I'll be able to fly much. Let's fly in. It's pretty nice. It's just the wind. That's the problem. It's literally the wind. Oops, nearly crashed. It's the wind. I think I'm gonna bring it back. It's just too windy. This is my wife, and that's me. That's my wife, the child, and here you go. That's me. The camera as well. And as you can see here, you can hear it's really windy. We're gonna put it back. There you go. Oh, God, my eyes. Oh shit. Is it still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. So because of the wind, I can't really fly a lot with John today. That's the problem in England. It's always windy, and having an FPV drone, you need to go or just wait for the best weather. And I'm afraid, as I said, England is not the best country to fly the drone. So I would better fly my DJI Air2S and just take some nice pictures here. So guys, as you've seen, the drone is pretty noisy. I know there's DJI Avata 2. I don't have any experience with it. The DJI Avata is good for new people like me, new beginners who want to learn FPV. Apart from that, I'd say it's better to go to proper FPV path, because you're gonna then learn a better way to fly FPV drone. If you're just like me, starting FPV, DJI Avata 1 or 2 will do the job till you learn how to fly FPV. Till then, I'll probably stick with DJI Avata for now. Not planning to upgrade, to be honest. No point to upgrade. I still haven't paid for this one yet. And as I said, this is my 5th flight in 10 months. as you can see, it's really bad. It's really bad how many times I've flown this drone. The problem is it's an FPV drone. It's a lot of restrictions as well. I'll take this one from here. Oh, come on. Right. So yes. Can you see me? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So yes, guys, that's pretty much me flying the DJI Avata today. That's the video. I was flying alongside this cliff. I wanted to go a bit more further, but because of wind and I was afraid to lose connection, just crash into something. You got seagulls, you got wind, you got water, so I think it's not really safe to fly the DJI Avata today here. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thumbs up as well. Feel free to subscribe my channel. Any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Till then, I'm gonna see you in the next video, which I will post twice a week. I will try to post twice a week, hopefully. If not, you can punish me for that. Alright, I'm just joking. So yes, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Thumbs up as well. I'm gonna pack this gear and gonna fly my drone afterwards. Just take some nice shots here and go home. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Thanks for watching.